Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. So I've got a bit of a rare bike for you today, one that I'm not that knowledgeable on, if I'm strictly honest with you guys. It's a 1973 Ducati Scrambler 350. I don't know much about it, I can't seem to find much about it, so if anyone knows anything about this model, if you can comment below, send me a link, something like that. Yeah, just not too clued up on this period of Ducati. So yeah, like I said, 1973 Scrambler, and I believe it's a 350. It is UK registered, as you can see. Nice little number plate there. Lovely bike, absolutely lovely. Starts and runs sweet as a nut, apart from when you haven't got any petrol like this one today. So yeah, I'm not going to be starting it up, unfortunately. I wish I could actually, because it does sound absolutely gorgeous as well, this. And it rides nice. I've actually been down the road for a ride on this bike, and it's a nice bike to ride. Obviously, being a Scrambler, in recent years Ducati have done the Scrambler series, and obviously this is on the back of this particular bike back in the 70s. So you know, this kind of original Scrambler, I don't know. I just know it's a lovely looking bike, and it starts and runs sweet as a nut. It really does. Just a nice looking, love the colour, but I don't know much about it. So if any of you watchers out there do know a bit about this bike, this model, oh, excuse me, if you can send me a link, send me a bit of info, I'd appreciate that. You know, always like to know more about these bikes I've got in stock. But that is a nice looking bit of kit. Yeah. I wish I could start it, actually thinking about it now. So watch this space. I think we might have to get some fuel, and we'll have a start-up series, I think. We'll get a few bikes out and get some started for you. So yeah, that's the 1973 Ducati Scrambler 350. If you want to know how much this bike is and some photos, there's a description below which will contain a price and a link to our website, so you can have a look at close-up photos, etc, etc. If you want to ask me anything about this bike, I'll try and find the answer. You can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you're toying with the idea of coming down and having a butcher at this bike, you're more than welcome. We've just filled the coffee machine up with hot chocolate at time of filming, so you can come down and have a hot chocolate with us. It's getting a bit fresh, you see, in the UK, and yeah, come down and have a brew. But always give me a call before you set off, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. No, nice clean bike that, folks. Nice clean one. Yeah, I've got over 100 classics in stock at any given moment, so there's something for everybody. Come down. And if you've seen us on YouTube, let me know you've seen us on YouTube. And for crying out loud, don't forget, folks, there's too many of you watching these videos that aren't subscribed. Go on, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications, and hit that thumbs up like button thingy. I know you want to. You're all intelligent folks, so I know you're all going to follow my instructions. Okay, other than that, guys, I'm going to sign off. Yeah, that's a lovely looking Ducati 350 in stock at Chris Hall Motorcycles. I do appreciate the support, massively appreciate the viewings, and keep it going, guys. And I hope to see you all very soon. If you're passing Doncaster, remember, hot chocolates are flowing. It's getting fresh in the UK. And other than that, I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Cheers.